DIY immune-boosting smoothies with Kishmish. Struggling to keep your energy up and immune system strong? Discover how a handful of Kishmish and a blender can transform your mornings into a health-boosting ritual you'll love. Tropical drink sparkles. Introduction: the power of Kishmish for immunity. Welcome to a refreshing journey toward better health. Today, we're diving into the world of immune-boosting smoothies, highlighting Kishmish, raisins, a beloved ingredient in Indian kitchens. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, Kishmish is a natural powerhouse for enhancing immunity and overall well-being. In this guide, we'll walk you through a quick and delicious recipe for a smoothie that's perfect for starting your day with energy and health in mind. The nutritional magic of Kishmish. Kishmish, or raisins, are more than just a sweet treat, they're a treasure trove of nutrients. Rich in antioxidants, raisins contain polyphenol that help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and boosting immunity. Packed with vitamins and minerals, with high levels of vitamin C, potassium, and iron, Kishmish supports overall vitality and strengthens your immune system. Digestive aid: they're great for gut health, providing natural fiber that promotes digestion and detoxification. DIY Kishmish smoothie recipe: the perfect morning boost. Here's a quick and easy recipe to whip up a healthy and delicious smoothie that incorporates the magic of Kishmish. Ingredients: a quarter cup Kishmish, raisins, soaked overnight for better blending. 1 medium banana, for natural sweetness and creaminess. Half a cup yogurt, rich in probiotics for gut health. Half a cup milk or plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk. 1 tablespoon honey, optional, for extra sweetness. A pinch of cinnamon powder, for added flavor and immunity. A few ice cubes, for a chilled treat. Steps: soak the Kishmish. If you haven't already, soak the Kishmish overnight in water to soften them. Blend it all together, add the soaked Kishmish, banana, yogurt, milk, honey, and cinnamon into a blender. Blend until smooth, ensure the mixture is creamy and well blended. Serve and enjoy, pour into a glass, add ice cubes if desired, and enjoy your immune-boosting Kishmish smoothie. Why this smoothie works? Boosts immunity. The combination of Kishmish and yogurt provides essential vitamins and probiotics for a stronger immune system. Energy-packed. Bananas and Kishmish offer natural sugars for sustained energy. Quick and easy. This recipe takes less than 5 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings. Creative variations. Berry boost: add a handful of strawberries or blueberries for an antioxidant-rich twist. Nutty delight: sprinkle some chopped almonds or walnuts for added crunch and protein. Green goodness: blend in a handful of spinach for a nutrient-packed green smoothie. Conclusion: a delicious step to better health. With just a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy a smoothie that's both delicious and packed with immune-boosting benefits. Start your day with this Kishmish smoothie to fuel your body and mind with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and energetic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-focused recipes and tips.